Okay everybody, Eugene here. Here's a handy tip for you. So many people say such bad things about the rag joint, and well, they're correct if they lack the mechanical skills to figure out how to put it on correct. Don't worry about it. I suck at brain surgery. I wouldn't even try it, but there are a few tricks that I've learned over the years, and if you're going to be cussing your rag joint sprocket, you don't understand how to correctly install it. Well, I'm going to show you. Here's why. See these little rubber things here? Pineapples, whatever people want to call the doggone thing. Okay, this industrial rubber trash that they use to make these out of, the thickness is all over the place, okay? Look at here. All right, so let's measure it. Here we are 0.290, and here we are 0.340. And then we're back down to 0.315. Okay, so you're going to mount this rubber piece, the rag, against your spokes. Then you're going to mount your sprocket. And if you got this oddly shaped thing, you're going to be making your sprocket wobble from side to side. Of course your chain isn't going to stay on. If nothing else, take a good look at these rags here and go for the one that is the most uniform in thickness. That number one is going to help set you up for success, so your sprocket's not doing that. If you've got the rag that's of a fairly uniform thickness, your sprocket isn't going to wobble that much. Remember, you've only got the inside width of that chain, and if this thing here is beyond that, it's going to want to jump off. So don't bitch at the rag joint. Don't blame the rag joint, blame the rag, okay? So if you can trim it, grind it, sand it, swap it out, you're going to have a much easier time. If you like the video, click subscribe. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching.